Hey, this is Dan with Quality Edge. We're out here at a commercial building space where they have renovated the whole exterior with Quality Edge steel siding. They've used a combination of wood grain and solid colors, so I want to walk you through a couple cool looks to give you ideas for your next project. So let's take a look at gilded grain. Now this is one of our most popular wood grain options because it's based with the tones of an actual cedar wood. So it goes with everything. Now you'll see it paired here with our midnight blue, and it has a really nice contrast from that dark rich blue to the beautiful light tones of our gilded grain. Different hues, you can see it paired with the red brick as well. So it's a great option to go with a lot of different projects, gives it a beautiful classic look. Similar to gilded grain, now let's take a look at our warm teak. Now they run this both vertical and horizontal. You can see it vertical on the dormers, horizontal on the sides. It gives it a really cool look and a little bit different than what you saw from a gilded grain. We took a little bit of a warmer, richer approach. So we filled it a little bit with red and browns. It gives it a nice soft look to that wood grain. A really nice contrast to different cladding types. Next, let's take a look at our smoky ash paired with the ironstone. Now this color really helps differentiate itself from the other buildings. It has a unique front to it. It was an old grocery store and they're trying to make this look better and updated. So the smoky ash was actually a color that we brought back from out west. We saw a really nice warm gray tone to it. Next, this building is going to be pairing our aged walnut wood grain with our ironstone as a solid color. Now ironstone is super versatile. As you'll see, it's a really easy color to put on because it contrasts so well with a lot of our wood grain colors, especially in the browns. They're using the Vesta solid colors on the bottom half of all the buildings. It brings it together as a collective, but then they use each wood grain, go vertical or horizontal, to give a unique identity to each building. So the last building we're going to look at is using our Vesta Dark Espresso mixed in with the ironstone again. Now the Dark Espresso is our darkest wood grain color. It has nice tones of brown in it as well, and it's paired with the ironstone again. As you'll see, it's a really good combination, gives it a darker, a moodier look, which we know is really popular residential and commercial spaces, and it holds up really well. As you can see, Vesta has the ability to reinvigorate a commercial project. And the best part about it is a 50-year warranty that Vesta offers. It's going to look just as good in 50 years as it does today.